This is Mr. Knowles, and welcome to one of my video lessons for math. And this one is about prime and composite numbers. One of the things that you really need to know when dealing with prime and composite numbers are factors. And in my class, we've been learning about factors visually with tiles. So you'll see a lot of these different rectangles. So what we do is we'll take some tiles and make rectangles out of them. 4 by 4 set will give me 16. A different way to take 16 tiles and arrange them in a rectangle is 2 by 8. And one other way is to arrange them in 1 by 16, form a really long skinny rectangle. And that's a visual way for students to see that a factor is a whole number that divides evenly into another number. In this case, the numbers 1 times 16 equals 16, 2 times 8 equals 16, and 4 times 4 equals 16. I can see that up above. So our factors are 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16 for the number 16. So now we're going to talk about composite numbers. We just worked with the number 16, and a composite number, right here, highlighted for you, is a number with more than 2 factors. So the factors for 16 again are 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. So 16 has more than 2 factors, so it is a composite number. Moving right along, a prime number. Prime numbers are really interesting numbers in math because a prime number is a number with exactly 2 different factors, itself and the number 1. And in this case, I'm using the number 23, and if we use the tiles again like we've been doing in class, the only way to make a rectangle with 23 tiles is to have one really long skinny one that is 1 tile by 23 tiles. There's no other arrangement that you can make. So the factors for 23 are 1 and 23. Let's do one example real quick. I'm going to use the number 12. And I'm going to try to make as many different rectangles with 12 tiles as possible. So one way is a long skinny one. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's one way. This is 12 by 1. Another way to make a rectangle with 12 tiles is to build it like this, which is 3 by 4 is another way to do this. So this one's 3 by 4, or 3 times 4. And one last way to build a rectangle with 12 tiles is 2 by 6. So the factors of 12 are, are you ready for this? See if I can get my highlighter to work. Factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and itself, the number 12. I'm just going to put them in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. I hope that you understood this lesson. If not, feel free to ask me any questions. Bye-bye.